First, find a person, and if they are AFK, just push them right below over here. And now you can jump here. And here is the hack. Follow me.
Nia, ano yan?
Wait.
Ano yan? Ano yan? Ibak ba yan? Ibak ba yan, Ate Mick? Ano nilayo mo?
Wait. I'm stuck now. Like, no one will help me. There's one more time we can play this game. We decide to play games with us. Wait, I don't want to play Baby Saga. Wait, Baby Saga can play. Goo Goo Gaga. You're not me. Okay. Goo Goo Gaga.